Are you tired of looking at the cracked, crazed, blistered, and dusty concrete floors in your home? These unsightly and potentially dangerous issues can bring down the value of your property and very unpleasant view. But don't worry, Paradise Construction has the solution. Our concrete services are designed to help restore the quality and value of your property. We offer solutions for a variety of concrete issues. With our expertise, we can transform your concrete floors into a beautiful and safe surface that you can be proud of. So, why wait? Call us today at 718-874-2002 or email us at marketing@paradiseconstruction.com to schedule your concrete works and restore the beauty of your home or business. We also do power washing, roofing and masonry works. Again, don't let your concrete problems bring you down any longer. Let us help you bring your property back to life. Let's protect the house that protects your family. Call us at 718-874-2002 or email us at marketing@paradiseconstruction.com.